Guys, it's Running Kimono. So in today's video, we're going to be actually doing a different kind of unboxing where I will be opening up some oysters on camera with pearls embedded inside of them. They sell these really inexpensive on eBay. So I bought a couple. My mom is obsessed with these sort of videos on YouTube. So I thought, hey, it might make a kind of a fun video. So I ordered, I think like 6 or 7 of them from China. It cost me just under 20 bucks. And it took like 2 months to get here. And this is how they come in the mail. And yep, it kind of looks weird. I wonder if they were actually grown in a factory just like that. But you're supposed to have like this authentic, open up the oyster and the pearl will be there so perfectly. And there's a whole bunch of different types that you possibly could get. But yeah, this is how they came. And to my very surprise, nothing spilled or exploded in the mail because it had been in the mail for like more than 2 months. So here they are. So each pearl comes with this little leaflet, and there are the different types of pearls and the colors and etc. etc. So we're going to try to open the first one up, and ooh boy, there it is. I messed it up. Hot apple fail. Here is the second one. Again, I wondered if these pearls were actually grown in these containers in some factory, and this one opened up with very little ease. So very easy to open that second container, but the problem that I had now was to try to get the oyster out of that container because it was like snug. I could barely, there's my big hand, but I could barely move it. Like it was just like snug in there. I could, it was not moving. So after a lot of messing around, I finally managed to get the thing on an angle to try to pull it out, and I pretty much broke the entire oyster. And I thought I would have this really cool experience of just opening it up and finding that really cool pearl, but I think it popped out in this one. It was like right there, boom. So not much of a mystery there, but just a little white one, which I think signifies wisdom. So I need a lot of that. And look at my thumb compared to the pearl. It is, it's not tiny, pretty sizable, but there it is, and so super cute. And I was trying to look for a second pearl thinking I might get a 2-for-1, but that was not the case today. Pretty slimy too, so if you do not like textures like that, this is definitely not for you. I just thought it would be fun to do a couple of these on camera. And then the second one that I messed up, I tried, using the force of my thumbs. And then I had the wisdom to use a little paring knife to try to like put some pressure on it and do this other stuff, but nothing was working. What I had to do was actually break the plastic on the other end to open it up because that thing was sealed. It was not moving. And I think they package it that way so when they're shipping it over here or wherever, things do not move, but it was really hard to open that metal. So here it is opened on the plastic side, and that was super easy. This is more of the full oyster effect, and there it is. And I thought, man, I'm just gonna really enjoy this one and find maybe like 3 pearls in one. I just had this idea I would find like some great discovery, and I just found one little guy. This wasn't bad opening this one. This was more of an adventure. See how I'm holding my knife? That's like expert right there. Not, you should probably put it down. But I was so excited to see what the treasure was. I could not wait. And there it is. And another wisdom pearl, and it's a little white one. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.